Module 13, Ability to Transfer Knowledge. Lesson 1, Introduction to Knowledge Transfer. Introduction. What is knowledge transfer? Definition process, where one individual or group passes knowledge to another. Organizational importance. Ensures knowledge isn't confined to a single person. Enhances overall efficiency and innovation. Knowledge transfer in industry. 4.0 significance. Rapid technological advancements require effective knowledge sharing. Integration of cyber-physical systems, IoT, and big data analytics. Competitive advantage keeps employees updated with the latest technologies and methodologies. Explicit versus tacit knowledge definition. Explicit knowledge, easily documented information, manuals, procedures, reports, transferred through training sessions and digital repositories. Tacit knowledge personal, experience-based insights, skills, problem-solving. Requires interpersonal interactions and hands-on training. Importance of knowledge transfer promotes innovation, sharing new ideas and best practices. Enhances efficiency, ensures access to the best methods and processes. Reduces risks. Prevents knowledge loss when employees leave or change roles. Supports continuous improvement. Adapts to new technologies and processes. Iceberg of knowledge. Explicit knowledge is the visible tip above water. Tacit knowledge is the larger, submerged portion. Implications. Tacit knowledge is harder to see and capture. Loss of tacit knowledge when individuals leave. Techniques of knowledge transfer. 2 main methods. Direct methods, indirect methods. Goal. Effectively transfer both explicit and tacit knowledge. Direct methods of knowledge transfer. Mentorship programs. Experienced employees guide less experienced colleagues. Facilitates exchange of insights and experiences. On-the-job training learning by doing under supervision. Immediate feedback and correction. Workshops and seminars. Structured environments for knowledge sharing. Interactive workshops and lecture-based seminars. Indirect methods of knowledge transfer documentation and digital repositories. Manuals, guidelines, standard operating procedures. Accessible via intranets and knowledge management systems. Online learning platforms. Flexible access to training materials, videos, modules, quizzes. Track progress and assess training effectiveness. Collaboration tools, platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace. Facilitate real-time communication and knowledge sharing. Employee knowledge lifecycle. A key aspect of effective knowledge transfer is fostering a culture that values and promotes knowledge sharing. Employees should understand how to contribute to and benefit from a knowledge-sharing environment. Encouraging knowledge sharing involves several strategies and initiatives that leaders and employees can implement. Confirmation bias. Definition. Seeking information that confirms existing beliefs while ignoring contradictory data. Impact on SMEs. Justifying existing strategies without considering alternatives. Example, ignoring negative market signals leading to overproduction. Mitigation strategies. Implement structured decision-making processes. Assign a devil's advocate to challenge assumptions. Availability. Heuristic definition. Relying on readily available information instead of comprehensive data. Impact on SMEs. Hasty decisions based on recent events or trends. Example, overspending on cybersecurity after hearing about recent hacks. Mitigation strategies. Analyze comprehensive data over time. Diversify information sources with external analysts and research. Overconfidence bias. Definition, excessive belief in one's own judgment or knowledge. Impact on SMEs, underestimating challenges and taking unnecessary risks. Example, overestimating the ability to implement Industry 4.0 solutions internally. Mitigation strategies promote a culture of humility and critical assessment. Use scenario analysis and risk assessment frameworks. Groupthink definition, conforming to a consensus without critical evaluation of alternatives. Impact on SMEs, stifles creativity and diverse thought. Leads to poorly considered decisions. Example, pursuing a market opportunity without assessing potential drawbacks due to social pressure. Mitigation strategies. Foster an open culture that values dissenting opinions. Involve diverse perspectives in decision making. Strategies to mitigate cognitive biases. Recognition and acknowledgement. Be aware of common biases affecting decisions. Structured decision making. Implement processes that encourage critical analysis. Encourage diversity. Include varied perspectives and expertise. Data-driven approaches. Leverage Industry 4.0 technologies for comprehensive data analysis. Continuous learning. Promote a culture of ongoing education and adaptability. Conclusion. Impact of cognitive biases. Can distort decision-making, affecting strategies and efficiency. Importance of mitigation. Recognizing and addressing biases leads to better outcomes. Leveraging Industry 4.0. Utilize modern technologies and collaborative processes. Final thought. Effective decision-making is crucial for SMEs navigating the fourth industrial revolution.